So hello everyone, my name is Anisha and I welcome you on the Warrior Street YouTube channel. आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही टैलेंटेड एंड एक लॉयर सामने बैठे हैं. सो हेलो रंजना, आई वुड वेलकम यू
Right.
ऑन द वॉरियर स्ट्रीट प्लेटफॉर्म. सो दिस डिस्कशन एंड डिबेट इज ऑल अबाउट दैट आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा. बट बिफोर दैट
Okay.
आई वांट टू नो दैट व्हाई यू चूज जैग.
Okay. So first question is, are we going to debate about anything?
No, it's just a normal discussion, just a normal.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So why
So yeah, yeah.
Why did you choose JAG? What's the main criteria? Why do you want to do JAG?
Okay. So my first and foremost reason is I always wanted to be an officer. Okay. And it's just that I was trained as a law graduate. I did my graduation in law, so it's just transactional that I'm trained into something, and it's a best of both world actually.
Right.
If you want to be an officer, plus you have such good experience you will be having, and there were so many reasons why I always wanted to be an officer, but there this reason, this jag, I came to know a few months back only about this vacancy. And when I saw this, I thought that this is something that I really wanted to do, like uh, that uniform, that proud feeling, I
Right.
think everybody must be, whenever you fill a form for jag, I think that is the feeling that everybody can
Relation.
share with me, I guess.
Yeah, great.
So being an officer is my first and foremost reason, and that is actually the jag is giving me the best of both worlds actually. So
That's
that is why.
that's
Yeah,
great.
that's it.
Fantastic. So, and why you chose Warriors Creed? So, for which
Yeah.
particular course you have chosen Warriors Creed for?
So I have chosen for SSB,
Hmm.
and for that particular board I have chosen that
So,
course.
what was your overall one-on-one experience with the faculty members and like mentoring program, the guiding program which you have been receiving? So, कैसा लगा आपको? Like you were able to connect और कैसा feel क्या हुआ आपको?
Definitely, you won't believe that there are so many things going on in my life,
Okay.
and I think being one-on-one with someone, it is something different. When you're
Hmm.
in a coaching, you have like lots of people with you. It's
Right.
kind of completely different. But when you're one-on-one, you can actually share a lot of things. He can
Hmm.
also tell me a lot of things about me that I did not know about.
Hmm.
So I think that kind of observation of him about me was great. I think the experience, the whole of the experience that I have, I have been with such people who will tell me that yes, you are good at this thing, you are good at that thing. But then the real Ranjana, who is real Ranjana? I
Hmm.
think that is been told by my mentor. So that is something that I always take me with my life. It's not just about a SSB. It's
Hmm.
actually something that have grown me from inside, and it's genuine development actually.
That's
So
great. So yeah,
I think my answer says that it's great experience. So yeah,
yeah, so that means that mentoring program actually it's a term like you
yeah,
have improvement in all the areas. So which
exactly.
particular areas you think that he has tried the right point of yours and like कि हाँ ये बात है जो मेरे को पता नहीं थी और मुझे अब पता चली है. So is
My
there
self
anything?
confidence, my self confidence. I was always doubting myself about anything. Like he is like, why can't you be the first person to start anything? Like every time I'll be like, मेरे को आइडिया नहीं लग पाता था at times what like कुछ चीजें होती है when you say but you don't really understand the purpose behind your saying, and the reason why are you saying it, but there is other person who is observing you and he'll tell you the right direction. So I think he told me a lot of things that actually made me realize that yes, why not, like why not, I mean, so yes, definitely my self doubt, I won't say 100% ho gaya, but yes, definitely it has improved. So my self confidence has improved. And secondly, uh, I think there are a lot many things I was confident about, but then I got to know that there is a scope of improvement in this as well. Like I was always responsible enough, but when I was told about you know exercising and all of those things. then you realize that how
Hmm.
you are exactly,
Hmm.
you know.
Right.
So yeah, my self confidence has boosted up because of him. So I think that is the one and the foremost thing, and I really feel good about that.
That's great.
Definitely.
That's great. So during this their discussion and the way he taught you, the way our faculty taught you, the
Yeah,
quality of the content and the presentation they provided. So
yeah,
how like कैसा लगा आपको कि क्या आप अगर रेट करने पे हम 10 आउट ऑफ बोलेंगे देन आप उस
yeah.
क्वालिटी ऑफ कंटेंट एंड प्रेजेंटेशन एंड द मीडियम थ्रू विच दे आर एक्चुअली गिविंग यू द कंटेंट तो वो मेथड
Yeah.
कैसा लगा आपको?
I think, as you also know, that SSB is all about personality.
राइट
Okay.
एग्जैक्टली.
So, content that he had provided me was something to improve me. And agar uska result positive hai, so I think the content is great. I don't have any doubt about that content that it was yahan lag kar raha tha ya wahan lag kar raha tha, because at the end of the day I feel good about myself. And I think I, as a पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट अगर देखा जाए तो आई थिंक बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा डेवलपमेंट मेरे को फील हुआ है. सो आई फील दैट फीलिंग सेज एवरीथिंग
राइट.
about the content. Okay, so I think it was point to point, and of course I would really like to mention this, that he is very precise. Okay, he's very precise about what he's saying, and point to point answer, and that is something that I have to learn. Actually, still I'm in the progress, like in the process of learning and progressing in such point to point answer karna. And being a lawyer, abhi bhi you can see, I mean, एक point का 3 point बनाना is our job, but then
Job,
usko
right.
precise, yeah, but usse precise karna is something that he had taught me.
Got
So
me.
definitely,
Amazing.
content is like मेरे लिए तो it was very good
He must
personally.
be very happy when he will watch this.
Oh my God, he should be, because he has actually taught me. You have no idea. Because of him, every time positivity. Yes, this
Yeah.
positivity. I forgot to mention. Oh God, am as a person, I'm like little negative. Okay, I always think about results. कि
Hmm.
अब ये वाला चीज होगा, अब ये वाला. But he is the one who always tells me कि why do I have to think about result? You have to be positive, and everything will go and come. But
Hmm.
you as a person should remain the same.
Right.
So yeah, yeah.
Great. Great.
I listen to him very carefully, by the way.
That's
Yeah.
nice. So, which portion of the program you like the most, and why? Matlab, what's the reason you like the that portion the most?
Okay, so we had this interview rehearsal. So there
Okay.
was the demo interview, whatever you call it.
Okay. Okay.
So that was the part that was very. So he did not tell me that he is going to interview me.
Hmm.
So he is like he suddenly said कि आज तुम्हारा interview होगा, and it was
Okay.
very prompt, and that I really liked, and that I thought is something that I think मतलब he was also like bit I don't know, impressed or something like that. But yeah, उन्होंने कुछ points बोले, कुछ, but he was like, he
Suggested.
always trust me. He
Hmm.
always suggest me something good. He always trust me, and that kind of trust I've never seen in somebody else. I
Hmm.
had to, matlab, put my a lot of efforts to, वो confidence there, as I told you. So confidence was not there, but वो interview वाला section was the most amazing part, because there I didn't have to think about a lot of things. That was very prompt and
Other.
natural. So
Hmm.
I like that portion.
That's great.
Yeah.
So the content, the way the mentoring program. So you would consider like what is the way, the what is the sequence for you? Is it logically good for you, easy to follow, or confusing?
No, it wasn't confusing. See, why it wasn't confusing? Because I had little before applying for this course,
Hmm. Hmm.
I had done my little research. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
I I I knew that what are the exams that are going to happen. Okay,
Hmm.
so I
Right.
know the stages. I knew that beforehand.
Okay.
But when he told me, he knew that he knows what is my mental state right now.
Hmm.
So like, आज क्या करना है? If I am like totally free, if I'm not having any case today to handle, so he'll be like, okay, आज अपन ये वाला part करते हैं जिसमें ज़्यादा information होती है. So it shouldn't be heavy for you. So I
Hmm.
think मेरे लिए कंफ्यूजिंग इसलिए नहीं था बिकॉज ही न्यू मी दैट व्हाट
Right.
आई वांट, सो
Right.
दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज वेरी स्मूथ फॉर मी.
For me, right, great. So the thing is that there are certain topic or test, like for the one आपने अभी बोला that ये test उन्होंने suddenly दे दिया था. So ऐसे ही और कोई particular topic he has focused on where you find कि हाँ मतलब like you are able to crack SSB now. कोई ऐसा topic हो, ऐसा कोई incident हुआ हो?
Yeah, there was this GD में I guess GD was the part where I felt yes इसमें हो सकता है because the points that he told me, तो मुझे लगा कि यार हाँ इसमें तो I felt confident about GD
JD
and
तो right.
there were हाँ GD तो हो जाएगा. I was very much concerned about PPDD.
Okay,
But GD के लिए I was, yeah, so PPDD के लिए I always told him कि ऐसा ऐसा है, but he's like don't take tension, okay, it's okay. So but he is like कि जब GD का उन्होंने बताया, and also recently I think in the morning only we got the session on obstacle, group task and all of that. So वो group task वगैरह का भी जो था वो मेरे को लगा कि yes I can crack it, and he also told me that it's very easy to crack and everything, so that actually makes me more confident about cracking those stages actually.
Right.
So yeah, GD would be the one. GD would be my answer.
So that means that it is better than any group coaching. You might be go physically also. So that is like
Definitely.
group better than that, right?
Yeah,
What's
yeah,
your point?
definitely.
Right. So as a SSB is basically the test of personality, right? It's a test of personality. They check your attitude, they check your behavior, emotions, etc. So is there any difference you find in yourself after the course, and what are those differences in particularly if we speak about it? So
I
any
think I
qualities,
would be
any
repeating myself. Yeah, I think I would be repeating myself if I'll be giving this answer.
right.
Because as you can see me, I was always like this, but the kind of confidence that I got after this, even though we had like little sessions, जहाँ पे मतलब there were days when I did not have session. I was busy with something else, but he understood, and he it was very flexible.
Easy, right.
It didn't feel like a coaching. It felt like I am just talking to someone who is a mentor from I knew मतलब what age from ages I know I know him. तो वो मतलब मुझे feel ही नहीं हुआ about coaching, So
Right.
I think that kind of I think it's बहुत ज़्यादा developments हैं, I think एक sense of responsibility towards myself as well, like you should be responsible for yourself as well. What you are thinking, the positive mindset that I did not have. Frankly, I did not have positive mindset. I always used to think about, ये नहीं होगा तो वो नहीं होगा तो it's like कि वो नहीं होगा तो it won't happen.
Right.
Thinking about it won't change anything about it. But if you will be like positive enough today, at least it won't affect you in the future. So those things actually affected me a lot, and that I think positive mindset मेरे लिए एक development ही है. And being responsible for my own thoughts is also a kind of responsibility that I felt that yes, this is a development. Because वो possible नहीं हो पाता, अगर ये नहीं होता तो definitely possible नहीं हो पाता.
और वैसे भी पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट तो आज की डेट में स्पेशली चाहिए ही चाहिए, राइट? एवरी फील्ड हो, पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल, पॉजिटिव तो चाहिए ही चाहिए.
I know, और तुम्हें तो पता ही है competition and everything is just so much.
At par.
And we can't really ignore it. We can't be like, yeah, we can't be like totally ignoring the reality. It's like don't ignore the reality, but don't ignore yourself as well. You should be, at this situation, what Ranjana should do. Yes, of course, I want to say this also. Every time you say what Ranjana in this situation would do. What Ranjana in this situation would do. This is the question that you should be, asking yourself again and again. So I think I really do that. I really listen to him. I don't know, but I get a lot of positive vibes from him, and I feel that yes,
Agree.
I'll do that.
So during this process, do you also receive home assignments, home activity, or sort of homework?
Yeah, homework in the sense that he would ask me certain things. For example, the first assignment that I got about I think explaining the quality PPTs, OLQs, and the stories related to that. That was the first assignment that I got. And then I also asked him about the PPTs. Whenever I have doubts, he
हाँ,
would tell me about he actually, I think we watched videos about GD and all of those things, group task and all of those. So I think it's a exchange of question and answer. It wasn't like an assignment. He never, ऐसे restrict उन्होंने कभी नहीं किया that you have to do this or you have to do that, because practice तो तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा
करना
anyways. We
पड़ेगा,
are not
right,
kids anymore. We know that we have to practice. वो उनको एकदम spoon feed नहीं कर सकते हैं. That is very natural.
right.
तो वो assignment as such I won't say, but yes, it was exchange of questioning and answering, and it was like
Discussion,
that.
right? पूरा चलेगा, right?
Yeah, more of a discussion.
Great. So let's wrap it up, and by just my last question, that would be that how do you rate the whole mentoring program out of 10?
Oh my God, that is 10. I don't know why are you asking this question to me, because I've been so positive about this course and now you are asking me this question. That is very irrelevant, by the
We are
way.
just assuring from you, like it's fine, it's 10, right? We should like tick
Are you
mark start that.
seriously? It's been almost 15 minutes. I've been telling you that this is great. This is great experience. Now you are telling me that
So
rate us also.
100% you're going to recommend to others as well, right? So
Yeah, of course
yeah.
I'll do. You don't worry. You don't worry about that.
Thank you so much, and thank you so
No
much.
issues.
Thank you, Ranjana, for
Yeah,
your time and for
yeah.
taking part in this. I hope all the best
Thank you,
in your
Anisha.
future. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Anisha. Bye.
Bye.